On YouTube, Brandon Nitro here. Welcome to 303 Streets. If you've been paying attention to the Nitro build, everything needs to be cleaned, but you can see I put in the extra door speakers. The back seat has been painted because it was this dirty gray, so these are going to be painted too. Yeah, it was now blue. We have the XD wheels and the red brake calipers, new brake pads and rotors on this, new tires, and yeah, I'm gonna start working on the inside. So anyways, wanted to show you a quick video. I got this kind of pistol grip shifter and I want to show you how to install it, or if you're not gonna do a pistol grip, or if you're just gonna switch out the, your shifter. Really simple, really easy. So what you do, take a flathead, pop that off. That's really it. And then pull. This is on there pretty good, so it's kind of hard with one hand. Oh, there we go. There you go. As you can see, there's the little tabs that were right here. So those go in. Pretty basic shifter. Sorry, my phone's freaking out. I don't know why. So it's a pretty basic shifter, nothing special. So I figured I would just swap it out. And I got this online, fairly cheap. I think it'll look good, especially once the new radio gets installed and all the silver, all that gets wrapped. We're gonna have a backup camera, have this wrapped in suede, the pillars wrapped in blue suede to match the seats. Probably wrap the glove box in black suede, and same over here. Might do the entire doors. Probably gonna do this in blue suede, so we'll see when it comes to that. But anyway, so this with this little kit, I want to show you what you get. You get these little rings, not rings, I guess these little plastic pieces that go over this. So I'm gonna use the smallest one. As you can see, there's 3 different sizes. I'm gonna use the smallest. It's a nice tight fit. Bust it off. These ones are a little bit bigger. Don't really need those. And then your thing will come with a little Allen key and these screws. So this is on there pretty tight. As you can see, it's not really coming off. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on like that. Get it all the way down. There you go. That's really it. Then what you would do is take your Allen wrench or your Allen key and put these little screws in, and I'll show you where to put them. One goes right here. So you put one right there, one right here, and I bet there's another one on the other side. Yep, and one on the other side. So I'm going to put those in. Try to get this down as far as I can. There we go. I think that looks good. And I'll tighten it down, and that's it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty basic. Gives your car a new look. Personally, I think it looks good. Looks better than, again, the standard one. And once all this is redone in blue suede, everything else is done in blue. The speakers have blue accents. Excuse me, blue accents. This will be in blue. All this will be in blue. It'll look good. Trying to just make the interior a little bit better. Honestly, don't know how long I'm going to keep the Nitro. It's a good car. It works. Everything, it's got a lot of miles on it, and it still runs strong. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this though. Show you how easy it is to switch out, your gear shifter, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, just that. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, there's a radio that I'm gonna be getting here pretty soon. It's gonna have a backup camera. Sorry, my phone is freaking out. 1 second, sorry. There, let's see if that helps. It's freaking out. The light is affecting it. But yeah, so anyways, all this stuff's gonna be redone. It's gonna be custom, one of a kind. I like the car. If anything, I need to get bigger tires on it. I'm going to put new shocks on it, and then a leveling kit, maybe a 2-inch leveling kit for the front and the back. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, so far, you know, this car's been great to build. You have new floor mats, the WeatherTech mats. Yeah, just trying to build the car. I'm gonna probably put these speakers that are right here in the back, just because, ooh, sorry about that. Put these in the back to, you know, get a little bit better sound system. Have a subwoofer coming that I'll show you how to hook that up and stuff. And yeah, so this is gonna be a unique Dodge Nitro, probably around one of a kind for all the stuff it's got on it. The back, like I said, it'll have the backup camera. Definitely the interior will be completely custom, one of a kind with suede and stuff. The headliner, as you can see, is filthy. That's gonna be wrapped in black suede. So this is gonna be a pretty big project. I'm gonna just do it little by little. I already have all the suede. I have the glue for it and everything. These sun visors are gonna be wrapped in blue suede to give it a little bit of a contrast, and stitched maybe with oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna stitch it in black or if I should stitch it in blue, so we'll see what I stitch it in. It'll look good either way. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry for rambling on. Again, sorry for the phone being ridiculous with the light. For some reason it's not having it today. But yeah, so there's the, you know, the new gear shifter. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Yeah, just stay tuned for more videos, especially if you have a Dodge Nitro and you're thinking about doing stuff to yours. Definitely stay tuned to see how to do stuff. You know, it's way cheaper to do it yourself than to hire somebody. You know, you can buy, I'm just buying a cheap radio for here. It's gonna have, you know, the aux port, Bluetooth, all that stuff in it. I think it comes out total, like, for the radio, the wire kit, and the backup camera, it's like 60-70 bucks. So it's a cheaper radio, but it's still touchscreen, all that stuff, so it'll look nice. And yeah, I think it'll look good and stuff. So everything's cheaper to do yourself. If you get it done professionally, of course, you have to pay for their parts and then their time and, you know, labor fees. But yeah, just stay tuned so you can learn how to do stuff yourself. That's what this channel is all about. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Again, like, subscribe. This is Brandon Lechuga. Thank you for watching 303 Streets, and have a good day. Thank you.